My name's Pete Griffin. I own Griffin Welding in Waterbury, Connecticut. We fabricate and manufacture structures mainly in DOT, so everything from bridges to highway component, anything you see on the highways or roadways. I think that in this day and age, you can do so much with the right equipment. It saves on man hours, it helps in quality, the amount of time it takes to do a job is cut down significantly. So having the right equipment is really important for us. We process through a ton of pipe and small miscellaneous shapes. So we were really looking for a machine to expedite that processing. We looked at a bunch of different options. The HEG RoboRail was definitely the best option that we were looking for. A robust industrial machine that could run every day without problems from a company that we could work with easily. What this machine allows us to do is every part comes out perfect. What that means is fabricators, we feed them a pallet of parts and they can build a structure almost like they're Legos. Every part, we mark them, fit up is perfect, there's no fighting anything, it goes together perfect every time.
The guys that are fabricating all the structures over here, they love having the parts already cut out. They don't have to wait on parts. Those are going to be done before they're doing all the fit up. I honestly love running it. It's always a good day when I'm told I'm going to be on this all day. I love finding new ways to just make everything get done faster and more efficiently.
Since we started with the RoboRail, we've heard from different inspectors, state inspectors, we're definitely pumping out parts and full structures faster than anybody else right now. From having 5 or 6 guys processing parts that take 10 minutes each to a single operator machine that's doing them in 40 seconds is kind of a no-brainer. The service from HEG has been great. I mean, from looking at the machine, seeing one in person, buying the machine, getting everything that we need here, getting it assembled, it's all been seamless. We've had not one issue.
The HEG service is real good, so we can call him, send him pictures of either the error code or the physical problem we're having, and he sorts it all out for us.
Any business that's doing miscellaneous, any kind of parts, any kind of pipe, any kind of angle, I mean, this knocks out other equipment, takes up less space, does more, has more options. To me, it's a no-brainer. When we went through looking at all different equipment, this does everything. It's robust, it's bulletproof, it does it quick, it does an amazing job, it does everything. It could run 10 hours a day every day if we needed it to. The level of production that we have now, there's no going back at this point. So RoboRail stays. If we need another one, we'll get another one and keep going.